Hello and welcome. Today we're going to have a look at some key circle vocabulary. So I've got 4 circles on my screen and I have 4 key terms on my screen. So let's start off with circumference. Circumference is really a way to describe the perimeter of a circle. So what would happen if we cut the circle open and stretched it out is how long that line would become. So it is the distance around the outside. Now I'm terrible at doing circles freehand. Not so bad so far, but we're just imagining this distance. Oh, it was going so well. I wouldn't see how at the end, but it's that distance. Imagine we cut it open and we stretch it out flat. The second term is the word radius. So the radius starts at the center of the circle, and it is a line that goes straight from the center to a point on the circumference. Okay, so this is a radius. Now, a diameter is a line that goes all the way across the circle from a point on the circumference on one side to a point on the circumference on the other side, but it has to go through the center. Therefore, it's going to be twice the size of the radius. So if the radius was 3 centimeters, then the diameter would be 6 centimeters. If the diameter was 10 centimeters, the radius must be half of that, which is 5 centimeters. The final one on the right-hand side of the screen is the word chord. So a chord is a straight line that joins up 2 points on the circumference of the circle. So technically a diameter is a chord, and it's actually the longest chord that you could have on a circle because it is joining 2 points up on the circumference. So there's the first 4 term. Let's have a look at another 4. So here we have sector, segment, arc, and tangent. So the first one is sector. So sector is this diagram down here. So really I think of it as a slice of pizza or a slice of cake. We then have a segment. So if we think about the word that we've seen just a minute ago, chord, so the line that goes straight across is the chord, and the segment is the area kind of trapped within it. So we can have minor and major segments as well. We then have arc, and I've actually got a couple of arcs marked on here. So an arc is a part of the circumference. So I've got that green one there, I've got a smaller orange one here, and I've got a red arc that I've drawn on. Okay, so any part of the circumference. Final one there is we've got the word tangent. So I've drawn on this tangent to the circle. So a tangent is a straight line that just touches the circumference of a circle. So it doesn't have to go in that particular direction. I can try and draw on another one here. So there's another one. Again, not a brilliant straight line, but hopefully you get the idea. So those are some key terms. You really just must commit those to memory, and they'll be useful for when we're doing calculations with circles. So things like finding the area or for finding the circumference, knowing what the radius is and diameter is and so on is really useful. All right, thank you very much for watching. Good luck with your exams.